Hello, fellow business owners. It's Ginger Allen with your Marketing Liaison. When it comes to marketing, we've got you covered. From TV to branding and everything in between, hit the subscribe button below and enjoy the ride. I want to talk about why it's important to hire a video expert. I've been in sales and marketing for 25 years, and I'm really good at what I do. However, when it comes to video, you can pick up a phone and you can do your own video. But if you want a professional video, like you're seeing right now, you need somebody that's an expert. What that means is, Desiree is here with me right now, professional camera, professional lighting, scripting, editing. A lot of things are going into this video right now. And we're now offering this as a service with my company, your Marketing Liaison, so that you have an expert on your team to give you the high quality videos that you really need for marketing for your company. It's not just about the equipment when it comes to hiring a person that's an expert in video. It's about the knowledge that they bring to the table. It's things like helping you with your script, saying all the time and making sure that that's edited out, which it probably will be. So, you say a lot of things that may not be proper. You also say things that maybe the layman or the person you're trying to reach for your business doesn't understand. So your video expert is going to say, let's break that down. Let's explain it more. Let's take the segment in a different direction. Focus on the camera. Stop fidgeting. All these things that really make a difference in your video end product that you're going to be delivering. It's really important, with video being the #1 way to reach out to your clients nowadays. I highly recommend that you work with us and hire a video expert for your company. The other thing that's great about working with a video expert is that you can get a whole bunch of videos done in one sitting. With doing all of the videos in one day, I'm able to plan out months of videos that can be put out weekly, and which is excellent for my engagement and for what we were talking about for consistency in your marketing plan. And I've been able to do this all in one day. One of my favorite things about working with a video expert is that we're able to get all of our touch points done in one day. So I can touch on all the different things that I do in my business in one video setting. And we all know that video is the #1 way to market your business. If you're looking for an effective way to use video marketing for your business, please click on the link below, and until next time, we've got you covered.